What is Incognito Mode? Most web browsers keep a record of the websites and pages you visit by default. By storing your history, you can easily find and revisit content later on. Every browser has a different name for the setting. In Chrome, it's Incognito Mode. In Microsoft Edge, it's in Private Mode. In Safari, it's Private Browsing. And in Firefox, it's Private Mode. Do I need to manually clear my history, cache, and cookies? No, private browsing modes don't save your browsing history, cached pages, or cookies. So there's nothing to delete. If you don't use a private browsing mode, deleting your history, cache, or cookies has a similar effect to browsing privately, in that nobody else who uses your device will be able to see what you've been doing. Does Incognito hide your IP address? The answer is no. While Incognito Mode might prove a useful tool at times, it does very little to protect you from malicious actors. Your Internet Protocol, or IP address, is both an identification and a localization tool. This address tells the Internet exactly who and where you are.